Vlog ba to?
Yeah.
Vlog tayo.
Hi.
Hello!
Megamall.
How much is it? How much?
Layer burger po.
Tapos po.
Tapos, Nak, you want milkshake? Isip ako ng sandwiches. Sandwiches po.
They have cones.
Cones? I think so. Yeah. Is that what you want? Okay, just order it up.
Say hi! Daddy! Can I have strawberry ice cream? Strawberry. Oh, look at this. This one's salted egg croissant. This one pistachio croissant. This one's dark chocolate plain chocolate. This is cookie butter croissant. This is cookie crumble croissant. This is cookie glaze croissant. This is almond plain chocolate. Here you can read them. That is sourdough butter croissant, plain chocolate.
Pan al chocolate.
Sorry. They have
It's French.
matcha bread.
Yeah, it's French.
Look at the cakes. Now I'm gonna video.
Oh, yeah. Same yung what mama is baking, right?
Now let's video the ice cream. That looks nice.
Can I
This one's so smooth. Can I hold this one? Dito sa baba. Ayan. Ano na? Okay.
Wait.
That is Nice. So we're in Sampaloc. This is the chocolate fireworks. Dean and chocolate. Arani corny jumping. Arani jumping. This is magic jumping. The chocolate cream. Dean Deluca off-white. That's cool. They have sauces, drinks. I think that's the one. Look at, wow. Coffee pala to. This is coffee. Here's what the outside looks like there. Outside the food. My turn. Sorry. Hold it like this. Go. Wait, I'm gonna read something. Gonna show something sa mga view. Wait, I found something. California bread, light toast, tasting notes, honey toast, Megala vanilla. They have nuts. Yellow cream tuna belly. They have Red Bull. They have Dean and Deluca. Blueberry jam, French toodle. Dark chocolate, dark cluster.
Candid lang, candid. Whenever you're typing, you're on your phone. Don't look at me, don't look at the camera. Act funny.
What's the number, Ma? Yeah, oh no.
Wait, I'm gonna put it in the subtitle.
Order ice cream, ha? Okay.
Everyone say hi. Hello.
Huh? But I think that's ours.
I touch it. I touch it.
Gusto raw niya ito.
No.
Okay.
Pablo.
Sa akin yung isa. Pablo, here's your croissant.
Kuya Uno, papi.
You want me to put the butter? Or you're just gonna dip the
I
butter?
want cones.
Ha?
Okay.
Burger.
Dila, you want some?
Nasaan?
Pablo, want some? No, you need to. You have a target. You have a target. A goal. Actually, that's a cow. It's a goal. Hey!
Dami na.
Kuya Uno. Kuya Uno, Kuya Uno.
Pablo, use yours.
Kuya Uno, Kuya Uno. Kuya Uno, look at the side.
You're gonna share how?
Share. Doon na. Share kayo ni Kuya Uno. Okay?
Fine.
Because hindi mo kayang ubusin yan kasi too big.
Ah, why did you do that?
Kuya, huwag ka na mag-phone. Right?
Spoon
I-scoop
here.
na lang yun.
Spoon here.
Oh.
Spoon.
Kuya Uno.
Huh?
Lalagay ko ba yung vanilla? Ha? Put ko?
Anak pa more. Ano namang order? Hindi na.
Ako na lang lalagay.
Hindi doon
Okay,
na.
ilagay ko.
Okay.
I want to.
Sabi-sabi lang sila na gusto nila ng
I
ganito.
want to.
Pero ang gusto niya talaga yun. Oh. Alam mo ba sa anong tawag dito sa
I want
school?
to, Daddy.
Every labasan na. Mama, I
Daddy,
want
I
ice
want
cream. Kung sa dirty ice cream ha. O di, bibili ko. Tapos nakausapin ko siya. Oh, masarap ba? Tapos paglingon kong ganyan, lilingon na akong ganyan. Paglingon kong ganyan, tata ko.
Ay, babagsak.
Ibabaksak. Ay, gusto
Yeah,
lang.
it's some. I mean, it's made.
Palagi iyan.
Wow.
Pagka bibili ng ice cream na yun sa dirty ice cream,
It's yummy, right?
lilingon ka lang ganyan na. Pagkita mo, oh, nasa yung ice cream mo, naubos mo na agad.
Pinit mo yan.
Pero naiitin pa. Ano?
Daddy, ikaw.
Dito pa yung half. Half pa, half.
Kuya, hindi ko ibibigay ang strawberry pagka hindi mo yung naubos eh.
Daddy, dito. That's me.
5.
Wait, what if you make the underground so that I could see it everything?
Yummy?
Make it under the ground. Make it underground. Make it cafe.
Ah,
Elephant called this.
Ay, huli ko. Bali po 3,000. 3,720. Tama. Medyo ko.
Daddy!
Pa Instagram kasi ginagawa
hey, 1, 2.
Ilang yan?
Pwede naman kayo gumitna. Yan. Ay po.
Sapa. Hindi ka kita kasi nagtago ka. Yan na.
Meron.
Wait, why is there another door? Because
So you
for
can
the
open
other
on both
side.
sides.
For
So
the
you
other
can open
side.
both sides.
Open! Nobody jump. Hi! Say hi sa vlog, Aya! Hi! Aya, mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Ooh, pretty. Pretty.
Maybe it's next. Remember that? He's doing the meme. I know.
You know, Ate Maxine is a living meme. She is the meme.
Ano daw?
She is the meme.
Yes, the meme that keeps staying in the house. At the house. Tulog siya lagi.
Sino? Si Ate Maxine?
And she never goes out of her room. No, she never goes out of her room. Unless there's something important. Where's the food at?
Yan ang
But it's not actually from Japan. You can buy it pretty much anywhere. Next, people seriously act like this electricity glove that pulls the hair off literally everything.
Oo na, Bertie. Hindi tayo mamalas. Thank you.
Okay na to, sir?
Ang ano? Madadi pa rin. Uy! One. Honey. No, sit up straight.
The favorite and the reason kung bakit tayo nandito.
Baby ko ah.
Let's picture the three of us. Wow, 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 wow. Wow.
Gagawin ba naman ba? Next time, anak. Next time. One time, anak.
Thank you.
Sige, ma. Gcash pin. Pakti kami mo si Ate Kala.
Oh, tingnan mo.
Agad.
So.
Okay. Pwede? Wait, I have.
Teka, so diabetes ang
Oo nga. Baka hindi nyo tanggapin diabetes yung PWD ko. Ah. Alam mo, I'm joking, no? I'm not. Ha? Balik.
Oh, wow.
Daddy, look like Auntie Rosada.
Hindi, sige. Oh, bibili ka ng one
I like
Sa-
that.